Vaccine. How are you doing, Dano? How are you feeling? Are you feeling better now? Are you sure?
Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel KONGSSA TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way they stop for this channel or they come across this video, you're welcome. Please do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button and turning on your post notification. May God bless you as you support me. So my people, wahala no they finish like we they always talk. Yes, this woman we're gonna see on a screen like this. Yes, the one way they talk in name na Atlanta. Yes, she don't take her upon herself, say she has to fight for the voiceless, all those who won't send children to their early graves, or those who won't make me children they leave hell for earth. She don't come to the fight for them. I remember I bring a video yesterday about one little boy for 13-year-old where in madam con dey suffer, my people con dey make her dey sleep for balcony for cold, rain dey fall, sun dey shine on top that pikin body. How the pikin take the chop from gutters. Yes, this one na update, and the matter wey I come bring no be joyful matter that way, because they don't make some kind of x-rays and kind of investigations finish. They can't discover say that pikin one that they see, so my people in liver don big past normal size, in liver don't enlarge. They don't call realize say a lot of infections take they carry that pikin belle now because of the fact say it they chop for gutter. The story no this very joyful at all, because the way this pikin take narrate in story and the way they take carry the woman safe, the woman no can't get remorse. If una see the child hands, una see the child body, his stomach self be distended, as in stomach don't big because of what it take they happen for inside the belly, my people. I see the update, I say no, me suppose carry and bring am for here. May all of us take see what they happen. May all of us take no say now for this kind of situation where that wicked woman one that they see for on a screen where he wear white and black, that red dress one that they see, so now she do this kind thing. Me, I don't talk fathers, mothers, please, if you know you are not ready or you are not capable to take care of a child, I beg you, no born now, just the wait. Maybe in the nearest future, who knows, in 1 year or 2 years, things go better for you, make you give birth to a child where you go take care of them. And if at all you don't give birth to your child and things no dey waka, try all your best for say me your child remain with you. As the child dey with you, even if na one cup garri the child take it, no be problem. And if at all you still see say for the betterment of that child suppose go for different person house, make the person they take care for the child. Please, I beg you, once in a while they pass for that place where your child dey, for the see if your child they eat, for the see if where your child they sleep, for the see if your child self still they alive, my people. Because make una look for screen, make una look this small boy one that they see for on a screen like this, my people. This child don't see heaven, he don't see hell, he don't see earth, he don't see everything. So for this in little life we don't live because of the way another woman take the do am. And if now you be this kind woman, or you get this kind attitude to they treat somebody child like this, your payments not take far, your payments now yeah they go far anywhere. Now yeah you go receive the payments, because this one na heartlessness way another woman to get for another person child. Me no understand, because I believe say as a woman way she can't get children, you suppose get love for another person child. You suppose consider every other child like yours, but not be waiting we take the see, my people. The video, if me want continuously they talk about this matter, it no go easy like that. But one thing when me I take the happiness say they do this child follow up, they follow up one for hospital, and it go better by God's grace. My people, me no know what to think about this video, but I go leave the video for you. Me wanna take the listen how they talk, how they take care of this pikin, how they carry and go hospital, what are the results and what is happening. But before I go, if you're here, you've not subscribed to this channel, please, what are you waiting for? Click on that red subscribe button, turn on your post notification, like and share enjoyed the video. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
Vaccine. How are you doing, Dano? How are you feeling? Are you feeling better now? Are you sure? I hope you're okay. Is the pain okay?
Hi my darlings, good afternoon. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who has been following up, and once again I want to also say a big thank you to everyone who continues to tag us. Daniel is doing very safe, but I need you to say a prayer for Daniel because we had to do all of the x-rays, but because of how inflamed his stomach was, and remember he's been eating from the maggots and all of that, so we just had to do a scan right now, and unfortunately the scan is showing that his liver is enlarged. There's further investigation that has to be done, but I am so worried and I'm so heartbroken. I'm just coming out of the general hospital right now. This scan should have been done since 8. He has been in excruciating pain, but again I'm grateful that it looks like we will find out what is wrong with him, but a lot of damage has been done, and child protection is everyone's business. That's why I'm saying thank you to the neighbors who saw this, but I just wish that this boy went through this hell for 3 to 4 months. I really wish that it was reported earlier, but I pray it's okay. And I have some good news. Onyebuchi Daniels, at the time we work in partnership with the Gender and Anti-Human Trafficking Unit, State CID Panty. So at the time we were actually rescuing Daniel. She was being arrested and we wrote our petition and it was approved, and she was detained yesterday. So she slept in custody yesterday in State CID, and that's what justice is, and that's the work we have been doing. And so I am super grateful. And for all the people who are sending me DMs telling me that did she do evil by bringing a boy in, that we should hear her side of the story. What side? I beg you. Did you see the maggots? Did you see the kind of stick she used? Did you see his body? Do you know the hell he has been in? I'm trying to ignore all of those negative comments. I should just pray for him, and I'm trusting God for provision because I don't know what is ahead of us, but I know it will end in praise. And please do say a prayer. I want to welcome to everyone, all of our new followers. I appreciate you, all of you. And in case you do not know the work I do, I am a primary humanitarian. That's all I do since 2012, and this is all I do. I was made to serve, and I just try to fight. I fight for the voiceless, try to reach the unreached, and basically every day in my life this is what I do. So if you see someone in pain, child protection is everyone's business. If you can't do something, tell us. Some of us have dedicated our lives to do that, and we have a lot of friends. I truly appreciate you. And if you have negative things, don't bother. I've heard worse. It doesn't bother me. Love you crazy. Mwah. Okay, so hi my darlings, let me take this out. Okay, so we are moving from another general hospital, and that is Dano. Say hello. Yeah, and he's doing well, he's doing better, but now we're moving him now to a specialist hospital, and by God's grace he's going to be fine. Thanks for all of your prayers, and we love you. Mwah.
What's your name?
Daniel.
What do you say is happening to you? See all the cuts and bruises on your hand. What happened to you?
They used to put you. Knock me stick.
Who? Who they knock you stick?
One is supposed to they bring colors.
You don't chop.
No, sir.
If I give you money now, your auntie no go find out. Hmm?